Okay, good morning, everybody. It's a great pleasure to welcome you all today. My name is Panayota Katsamba. I am working on the industrial and cross-disciplinary collaborations for our center, Computation-Based Science and Technology Research Center, CASTOR-C in short. Welcome to this training event on data analytics in the era of large-scale machine learning. I have met several of you in the context of collaborations, but let me briefly introduce you to the Cyprus Institute more broadly, which is dedicated in excellence in research, education, and innovation. There are 5 research centers, one of which is CASTOR-C, and the overarching umbrella term here is compute-intensive methods in a wide spectrum of scientific and technological applications. We have over 30 researchers with diverse backgrounds working on various topics. We have been quite successful in establishing external funding, part of which is funding this project, our flagship project, EuroCC2. And just to introduce you to what we do here in terms of research at the CASTOR-C, the overall glue is high-performance computing. Along with it comes high-performance data analytics, AI and machine learning on big data, computer vision, as well as computational engineering simulations such as molecular dynamics, computational fluid dynamics, multi-scale methods, more traditionally computational physics, and more recently quantum computing. And collectively, we have been applying these methods in a big portfolio of applications spanning from environmental applications such as remote sensing and climate modeling, biomedical applications, including bioinformatics, medical imaging, drug design with biomolecules, material science for green tech and material design, such as with nanocomposites, as well as some microengineering applications, such as microfluidics. And all this is enabled by having the national high-performance computing infrastructure called Cyclone here at CYI premises. And Cyclone is one of the most powerful academic HPC facilities in the Eastern Mediterranean. As CASTOR-C, having the know-how of high-performance computing, HPDA, and all the associated methods, we are the national representative for this EuroCC high-performance computing project. I will say more words in a bit, and other pan-European ecosystem projects. And alongside EuroCC and being the national high-performance competence center, the overarching aim of such projects, as well as coordinating the European Digital Innovation Hub for Cyprus and other projects on computational engineering, is our dedication to support the digital transformation of Cyprus and promote the knowledge transfer on these advanced digital technologies that we have the know-how for. So EuroCC2, which is funding this training today, is part of a pan-European project, umbrella project called EuroHPC Joint Undertaking, involving over 30 countries. And broadly speaking, the aims are to identify and address the skill gaps in the European HPC and HPDA ecosystem, coordinate collaboration across Europe in advancing scientific discovery and innovation. And at CASTOR-C, we are the National Competence Center, for short NCC, in high-performance computing. We have been the NCC since 2020, and now we're in our second 3-year phase. Our national aims are to advance competitiveness in research and innovation, improve effectiveness of government services, promote innovation by engaging with industry, and broadly speaking, strengthening high-performance computing and HPDA competencies. And through all that, we our overall aim is to have a major socioeconomic impact through increased collaboration with all these above stakeholders. Our activities include liaising with the local computational communities, academic, industrial, and public sector stakeholders, identifying what the community's needs are, so your needs really, and providing tailored training activities to promote knowledge transfer on these advanced digital technologies, alongside collaborating at the European level with the other NCCs. Now, in practical terms, how can we support you? Well, EuroCC2 offers free initial consulting. Our team comes in, gets to know you, what your problem is, computationally speaking, inspect your code, suggesting parallelization strategies, potential machine learning models, and bespoke training suggestions. We can also assist you in applying for access in our HPC facilities. There's a specialized procedure to do that, and we are here to support you in this. And as well, and alongside all this, we have an engineering team that can work with you in a proof of concept project. So it's a small pilot project to demonstrate how advanced digital technologies can add value to your business or research team, depending on where you work. And I will skip some of the more details. Feel free to contact me. We have supported in our first 3 years quite a few companies. And as a case study, with just to give you an idea, with Electric Consulting, we have assisted them in using our HPC facility, help them in terms of coding, in optimizing their deep learning architecture. And this has a profound effect in enhancing their production environment. So I will give the floor to my colleague Mirianki Hajihalarambus, which will assist you with, who will assist you with the training aspect of this event and the main objectives. Thank you, Miriam.
Thank you, Panayota. So as Panayota mentioned, training is a big part of the EuroCC2 project. The main aim is to enhance the competences of the Cypriot computational community in key areas like high-performance computing, machine learning, AI, and high-performance data analytics. There's a series actually of training events. So today is the first one. Today's topics is going to be on large-scale machine learning and data analytics, but we will actually have various topics in future events. Those will be covering high-performance computing, GPU programming, Python for high-performance data analytics, and even it could cover theoretical aspects of machine learning. That will, of course, depend on the targeted audience. So today's talk focuses more on research-oriented participants, but future events will also target industry engineers or graduate students. We're also planning to have a training event targeting individuals from any discipline that might be interested. And the main idea there is to give a high-level overview of machine learning and AI and how it can help in their everyday work. So as we said, the focus here is on the community. So we really need to hear what you need. So we really encourage you to fill in the feedback forms and let us know how we can improve. We want to learn what you want to learn, and we'll be sending out future questionnaires for identifying needs and hosting the next events. This is the EuroCC2 team in a glance. You'll see a lot of us here today, and we'll be happy to meet most of you in person. Here are some links that could be of interest. We have the link for our research center, Castor C, and we also have the link for the new EuroCC2 website, which you can see there with the red arrows. If you have any comments or feedback, please let us know here in person, or you can email us on the EuroCC email there. So I think now we can start with the first talk of the day. The title is Data Analytics